In the ever-evolving world of technology, we're constantly amazed by the progress and innovations that seem to defy the boundaries of possibility. From self-driving cars to artificial intelligence, AI that can think and learn like humans, the technological world often leaves us questioning what's real and what's science fiction. However, much of what seems unbelievable is actually rooted in hard science and has the potential to change the world in ways we never imagined. In this video, we will delve into some of the most mind-blowing technology facts that sound fake, but are in fact 100% real.
Technology is what drives the human race. Most of us are dependent and obsessed with technology. Here are some interesting facts about technological science.
Number 10. The power of artificial intelligence. AI can write music. When we think about AI, we typically imagine something that can perform repetitive tasks or help us with data processing. However, artificial intelligence has advanced so much that it can now create original works of art. For example, in 2020, an AI system named AI-VIA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, was used to compose a symphony. AI-VA was trained on thousands of classical music pieces, and it managed to create a completely original musical composition that could pass for a piece written by a human composer. What makes this even more incredible is that AI is capable of composing music in any genre, from classical to jazz, and it's becoming more sophisticated with every passing day. AI-VA's compositions are even being used in films, video games, and commercials, proving that AI's capabilities in creative arts are no longer just a distant possibility, but a current reality. Number 9. Quantum computing, solving problems that were once impossible. Quantum computing is one of the most exciting yet perplexing advancements in technology. Imagine a computer that doesn't just use ones and zeros to process information, but instead uses quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This enables quantum computers to solve complex problems exponentially faster than any classical computer. For instance, in 2019, Google's quantum computer Sycamore made headlines when it solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's most powerful supercomputer 10,000 years to complete. This isn't just a theoretical feat, it's a genuine breakthrough. Quantum computers could potentially revolutionize industries such as cryptography, material science, and drug discovery, opening up possibilities for solving problems that were once considered impossible. Number 8. 3D printing human organs. The future of medicine. 3D printing has made waves in the manufacturing world, allowing for the creation of objects from digital designs. However, 3D printing is also poised to revolutionize the medical field. Scientists and engineers have developed the ability to print human organs. Yes, you read that correctly. In 2020, researchers successfully printed a 3D model of a human heart using human cells, bringing us one step closer to the dream of creating organs for transplant. While this may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, the technology behind 3D printed organs is based on real science. The process involves printing layers of living cells to create the structure of an organ, which could eventually be used to replace damaged or diseased organs in the human body. While we're still a few years away from fully functioning 3D printed organs, this breakthrough is a glimpse into a future where organ shortages could be eliminated. Number 7. Self-driving cars. Ready to hit the streets. Self-driving cars have been a hot topic for years, and while many people thought they were something out of a futuristic sci-fi movie, they are now a reality. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have been testing autonomous vehicles that can drive without human intervention. These cars use advanced sensors, cameras, and AI to navigate streets, avoid obstacles, and make decisions in real time. What makes this even more impressive is that these vehicles have the potential to reduce traffic accidents, lower fuel consumption, and provide mobility for those who are unable to drive due to age or disability. In 2020, Waymo, the self-driving car division of Alphabet, Google's parent company, began offering rides to passengers in fully autonomous vehicles in certain parts of Arizona. The technology is already being used, and it's only a matter of time before self-driving cars become a common sight on our roads. Number 6, the Internet of Things, IoT, a world of connected devices. The concept of the Internet of Things, IoT, may sound like something out of a futuristic fantasy, but it's already transforming the way we live. IoT refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects that are embedded with sensors and software, allowing them to connect and exchange data. Imagine your refrigerator automatically ordering groceries when it senses you're running low on milk, or your car telling your thermostat to turn on the heat when it detects you're on your way home. This is happening right now. IoT is making everyday objects smarter and more efficient, and its applications range from smart homes and healthcare to agriculture and transportation. The potential of IoT is vast, and it's already becoming an integral part of modern life. Number 5, brain-computer interfaces, controlling devices with your mind. It sounds like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, controlling a computer or robotic limb with your thoughts. But this technology is real and is making significant progress. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, allow users to control devices simply by thinking about them. The technology works by detecting brain activity and translating it into commands that can control external devices, such as prosthetic limbs or computer cursors. One of the most notable companies working on BCIs is Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk. In 2020, the company demonstrated its ability to implant a BCI in a pig's brain, allowing the animal to control a computer with its thoughts. The ultimate goal is to help people with disabilities regain lost functions, such as the ability to move or speak, by creating a direct connection between their brains and machines. While BCIs are still in the early stages, the potential for this technology is truly mind-blowing. Number 4, virtual reality, immersing yourself in entirely new worlds. Virtual reality, VR technology, has been around for decades, but it's only recently that it's become more immersive and accessible to the average consumer. With VR headsets like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR, users can now step into completely virtual environments, whether it's for gaming, training simulations, or even therapy. But VR's potential goes beyond entertainment. In 2020, doctors use VR to perform complex surgeries remotely, allowing them to guide surgeons in different parts of the world with a VR headset and live data. VR is also being used for mental health treatments, helping people with PTSD, anxiety, and phobias by immersing them in controlled virtual environments where they can face their fears in a safe and controlled way. VR is no longer just a novelty, it's a powerful tool with real-world applications. Number 3, Hyperloop, traveling faster than a commercial jet. Imagine traveling at the speed of sound, bypassing traffic, and getting from city to city in a fraction of the time it takes now. That's the promise of Hyperloop, a futuristic transportation system that uses pods traveling at incredible speeds inside low-pressure tubes. In theory, Hyperloop could transport passengers at speeds of up to 760 miles per hour, far faster than the fastest trains or commercial airplanes. In 2020, Elon Musk's Boring Company successfully tested a prototype of the Hyperloop in the Nevada desert, proving that this high-speed transportation system is more than just a dream. Several other companies are working on making Hyperloop a reality with the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. Number 2, 5G networks. A speed revolution, the rollout of 5G networks has been met with much anticipation, and for good reason. 5G promises to deliver speeds that are up to 100 times faster than current 4G networks, allowing for instantaneous downloads, seamless streaming, and the ability to support millions of connected devices simultaneously. This leap in technology will not only improve everyday internet experiences, but will also enable advancements in fields like telemedicine, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities. What makes 5G so remarkable is that it can handle massive amounts of data with virtually no latency, allowing real-time communication between devices. Whether it's controlling smart devices at home or enabling instant video consultations with doctors, 5G will usher in a new era of connectivity. Number 1, the space internet, global Wi-Fi for all. SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet project is one of the most ambitious and innovative endeavors in the world today. The goal is to provide high-speed, low-latency internet access to underserved and remote areas around the globe using a constellation of thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit. As of 2020, Starlink has already launched over 1,000 satellites and is actively providing beta service in parts of the world. This means that in the not-so-distant future, we could have access to fast, reliable internet no matter where we are, whether it's in the middle of the Amazon rainforest or on the top of a mountain. The space internet is on its way, and it will change how we connect with each other and the world.